Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the zero grid RFID blocking stick-on mobile phone card holder. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So we do that by, of course, flipping open the sticky flap and sliding out the contents from the packet. So that's the packet emptied. We can set it to one side and spread the contents across the tabletop right there, so you can see what we've just removed from that clear plastic packet. Okay, so this is the zero grid RFID blocking stick-on mobile phone card holder. And let's start off by first taking a look at this card here. So there are some details about reviewing the mobile phone card holder. Let's set that card to the side and move on to the next item. So there is once again another card, and it does say that it does come with lifetime warranty upon registration. So that's pretty cool. So this product is built to last. Should it not, then it gets replaced for free. So here we go, looking at the zero grid RFID blocking stick-on mobile phone card holder. And on the reverse side is a layer of 3M sticky adhesive. And just to show you the profile of the card holder as well, so rather thin and texture as well. The upper surface feels nice and velvety. And there is, of course, the inner pocket as well. So just to show you what that inner pocket is about, if I can get into it. So the outer layer is stretchy, as you can see. It is lycra, the outer layer, and there is a film of RFID blocking material between that outer cover right there. So giving you some close-up looks to the card holder. Very slim in profile, as you can see. And the stretchiness of that compartment or layer in the front does allow you to kind of cram a few cards in. And showing you the top-down view as well. And size-wise, just so you have some idea of the size of the RFID blocking stick-on mobile phone card holder. Resting it in the palm of my hand there. And the reverse side showing you that 3M sticky adhesive. So you peel that off and stick it on the back of your mobile phone. And I do have my trusty old Sony Xperia Z5 compact Android smartphone. And just to give you some idea, it does have the slim TPU case from the blings on it. So the phone and the case I've both reviewed before in a past video or in past videos. So you can see with the RFID blocking card holder on it from Zero Grid, even though my phone is a quite compact mobile phone, the card holder still sizes up nicely on the back of the phone case right there. So with the phone case on, it's about 7 centimeters wide or 70 millimeters in width at the back. And with the zero grid on, you can see it falls within that phone case width. Okay, so it's meant to stick on to the phone like this, so you'll never forget your cards or your phone, as they're always together. Okay, and just to show you, we're going to put some cards in there just to accommodate and give you some idea. I have a stack of cards here, 5 cards. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can slide them into this card holder, see how many it can accommodate. So let's start off with the first card right there. And you can see it fits beautifully, a perfect fit right there. And I'll remove the card just to give you some idea right there. Side by side with a regular size card. And on top, right there. And once again, sliding the card in is simply quite effortless. Okay, and let's slide in more cards and see how we go. So it takes a second card there, just showing you the profile of what it looks like right here. Okay, and it does fit quite nicely in there, as you can see. And moving on, another card. So you can see that material, lycra material cover on the front does stretch to accommodate additional cards. And right now we do have 3 cards in the Zero Grid RFID blocking stick-on mobile phone card holder. And let's see if we can add a few more. So this is the 4th card going in, not a problem at all, as it does stretch to accommodate those cards. So we have 4 cards in there, and we can even sandwich a 5th without too much trouble. So right there, pretty handy to have. So there are 5 regular size cards in there, and just showing you the overall capacity. So I think 5 cards would be the limit. Beyond that, I think it still would be about able to handle 1 or 2 more cards, but I wouldn't really want to overdo it. So right there, 5 cards in the Zero Grid RFID blocking stick-on mobile phone card holder. And if we took them out, let's see what happens. Okay, so all 5 cards out. And let's see if the stretch has come down. You can see that it's returned to its original shape. So that stretch there, nice and elastic to accommodate those cards without being overstretched. So that's the Zero Grid RFID blocking stick-on mobile phone card holder. Thanks for watching and happy keeping!